Hey everyone, I just finished upgrading my website. It's now on version 21.1 of Angular and 2.2 of Analog. Normally, I have it hosted on S3, but today I'm going to be migrating it over to Firebase hosting, and I'm going to show you how to do the same. Now the first thing you'll need to do is to install the command line interface for Firebase. You can head on over to firebase.google.com/docs/CLI to download and install it. Once you have the CLI installed, we can type Firebase login to log into your account. This will open a web browser and allow you to log in through the Firebase console. As you can see, I'm already logged in, so I can see that I'm logged in with Chris at chrisperko.net. Next, I'll initialize my project by typing Firebase init, and this is inside the root of my project. Next, I'll select what I need, which is just going to be hosting. I'm going to create a new project. I'll call it Perko Dev Website. I'll leave the project as the same. This is going to go ahead and create everything we need within the Google Cloud platform, which Firebase is hosted on. The public directory we'll just leave as public. Yes, this is going to be a single page app. Yes, I would like it to set up automatic builds for me. And I'm going to type in my repository, which is Baron von Perko/Perko-dev. Go ahead and say yes to that. What script which you were in before? Go ahead and run that. That's fine. Yes. My main branch is called main. And we're done. Now let's go ahead and try to deploy the app. I'll just type Firebase deploy. Once complete, the CLI will give us a URL that we can use to visit our app that's currently hosted on Firebase. Now, if we navigate to perko-dev-website.web.app, which is the URL that Firebase gave us, we'll see this page saying that Firebase hosting is complete. But this is not our blog. This is just a basic page. Let's see where this is coming from and see how we can fix this so we can deploy our actual website. Now, within our application files, if we go to this public directory, we have this index file that Firebase CLI created for us. This is what we were seeing on the hosted site where we have the Firebase information. But this is not our blog. Our blog is actually built somewhere else. When I build with Analog, it goes into the dist, Analog, public directory. And here are all of our assets for our site. So what we're going to do is go into our firebase.json file that was also created by the CLI. And inside of hosting, we're going to change our public directory. And you could have done this with the CLI, but I want to show how you can modify it within this file. So we're going to go to dist, analog, public. And I'm going to go ahead and save that and jump back into the terminal. Now the last time we deployed, we found one file within public and deployed that. So let's try this again. Firebase deploy. And now we should see a lot more files because we have our whole blog in that dist folder. There we go, 271 files and uploaded to Firebase. Let's check it out. Back in the browser, I'm still pointing at perko-dev-website.web.app. We go ahead and refresh here, and here's our app. Blog is working, we've got all our posts, everything works as it should. Great. Well, there you have it. That's how easy it is to deploy your site with Firebase. Now, this isn't a custom domain. There's a couple more settings you need to do within the Firebase console to do that. I'm not going to show that as part of this video because I'll need to go into my hosting DNS settings and do some changes to switch it from S3 over to Firebase. But the application itself is deployed, and it was very easy to do so.